Glass is one of the most widely used material in today's world. Well, it is used in all kind of optical lenses, cell phone devices as a display, and automotive, aerospace application, and various biotech applications. It is extremely fragile. So any damage to the glass surface results in significant degradation of its mechanical property and leads to failure of the component. What we are trying to solve here is to develop novel solutions to protect the glass surfaces by using two-dimensional materials.
2D material is able to protect it because of its high in-plane stiffness that can essentially absorb the normal load that is being applied on the glass. Next, the reason why 2D materials can protect the glass from scratch, well, it's because we all know 2D materials are quite slippery because of the low shear strength, and that transfers the glass into a very slippery surface. And that essentially protects the glass from any sort of external abrasion.
These 2D materials are completely impervious to water and they provide extremely low friction.
The potential applications of 2D material coated glasses can range beyond automobiles to aerospace windows, architecture, as well as optical components in camera lenses, as well as photovoltaic cell covers.
There are a variety of coatings in the market. They are micrometer or millimeter thick. They are very bulky. They increase the weight of the component. In addition, they are not very flexible. Also, they are not very well adhered to the glass surface. So their adhesion with the glass surface is very poor. If you think of a very thin glass surface, which is now being used in foldable devices, these coatings may not work because glass itself is extremely thin. In addition, these coatings are either too brittle or they are too soft. The two-dimensional materials we are working with, tungsten disulfide and graphene, they can maintain their excellent properties at very low temperatures as well as up to several hundred degrees.
What we have done is we have developed 2D coatings that can significantly improve the scratch resistance of glasses. And this can be applied by simple solutions that can be applied on the screen, which will improve the scratch resistance of the screen.
So graphene has many other interesting properties such as self-cleaning and anti-icing properties. You can provide these interesting properties to the glass surface as well. We have filed 2 patents. Both of the patents have been granted.
We are looking for industrial partners to transfer this technology who can take it to the next level.
In future, we can visualize glasses which are electrically or thermally conducting. It can be made self-cleaning. And also these coatings are ultra thin. So for future foldable devices where glass itself is going to be extremely thin, these coatings can be extremely useful for those kind of devices.